big ass Road Pro. Ah. Pow. I'll be damned. Well, that's interesting. Never done that before. God, I hope I didn't mess something up. Oh, there we go. Keywork's all locked up except for that little glitch there. I think the, one of the little... got 2 ball bearings in there. One over on this side, one down in here. I don't think it protruded out enough. Yep, don't know. But big ass, I've forgotten what model number, but really big Road Pro. Nice heavy duty bastard. What is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pin, single pin picked, and